Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka Rupa. Bapentingan bat Pynhap.
Kaskul Mawlai Christian Secondary School kebadan hapa uput usam jong kasnong Mawlai nin kasngi kasauterik unok pra arjar khat pra kalapun kutno ya gajing lek men Jubili arfusan snem jong kaskul bat la Pynhap Pyrda ya gani gajing rakhe do menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai ke sarkar jela uba met ba lengdo ubalalong ukongsan ha gani kasngi harengkat gajing don lang uba em halang simle u MLA barim ga Mawlai constituency kum usembot kongsan. Habakren hagani kasngi nagaliang jong uba medba ulapan pau bakalong kabadon kam ban ajing Krisyan yakum kini ki skul ki bayarap yaki khina ki bawan nagilong yeng ki baduk bar ulapan pau ru ban nagaliang jong sarkar kadon ya kathong ban wanra biang ya ka buram kabalaja jong ka Shillong habaya dei bat ka jing pau jong ki skul hagani kanong ba lapan syong kun ya gani jing rakhi daki jing shat bar ki jing ruai balai shimenta daki khina jong gani skul.
I don't know how many of us realize that God was so kind to each and every one of us, especially for those who are within this Pynhap. He's so kind. We are what we are because of His care, His guidance, His support, and it is because of Him only we are who we are. That's the beauty of our life. The school has achieved the 25th milestone of your journey. I don't know what kind of journey you have gone through. I don't know. But I'm sure, like other schools as well, you must have gone through lot of barriers, lot of hurdles, lot of thorns on your way. And today is a very, very special day of your school. I could see that all of you are really very, very enjoying. You really would like to enjoy this celebration in a very big way. And I could see that you are celebrating it right from your heart.
Be the good girl you always have. thought I lost my luck, but I never thought in a million years that you'd just walk right up. Now that I found your love, I can never let you down. Even when the times get rough, nothing's gonna stop us now. We'll and we'll never be alone. And no matter where we roam, we'll be both.